should put a bell on your cat because if you didn't, your cat could escape without you noticing. In my opinion, we should put bells on our cats because then we would be looking after them more. Bells don't hurt cats when you put them on your cat. I passionately believe that we should put a bell on our cat because if they got out by mistake and went hunting, the creatures would hear that bell and run away. I strongly believe that we can stop this if we feed our cats at night time or if we keep them busy by playing with toys. I definitely believe that if we put bells on our cats, we would be doing something good for our pet cats. I believe this will work. My final statement is that we should put bells on our cats because it's the right thing to do.